So what? I've had you fell in love a couple times. Tell me, was it too good? Tell me, is it a crime to fall in love?
With you who? Exe. Dimuta says AK Taklip, AK Ikan, and stress, and stress up for now. Ask for of course.
Ask for of course, man.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We're back with another episode of Anonymous Valley, episode 3. And I'm not going alone, I am going with AIHQ. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So, like, guys, introduction for the new people.
Yeah, I'm saying fuck a Chanel, bro.
Chanel.
Yeah.
Hey yo, what's up, guys? It's me, Chanel, and yeah.
Yeah.
Yes,
Hey.
you know, Chanel.
My chance because I'm holding a pipe.
Yeah.
Explain the thing there, bro.
Well, you know how it is, man. You know who it is, man. Come in House Adventures, you know, catch us there, Chase. Man, it's the motherfucking the man, the myth, the motherfucking legend, nigga, Keith, man. You know how it is. John like Keith. Man, like no other, man. Yeah.
Ja, fitty. Ik say, come on. You see, vandaag I'm back. I'm starting you with the V-neck. Because I'm back. But you already know the name is Craig Fisher, man. For sure.
Shit's on my nizzle, nigga.
Always, you already know. It's Batman over here.
Batman.
Yeah, bro.
Batman.
I'm
Batman. So, like, yeah, guys, let's just get into it.
Hey, man, I got my goat
Yeah.
today. My legend.
Yeah, Mice Chat. Yeah.
The queen.
Yeah. I don't think she's interested in talking. Nah, she's not interested in talking. She's wasting time. Unlucky. Next time.
Yeah, but you gotta shout out.
We gotta move the video. We gotta cook. Next time. Do you wanna run? Exactly. Yeah, she'll be back. One day.
You will hear her in the video.
100 subscribers to hear her voice.
Subscribe to her voice.
Yeah, subscribe to see her voice.
Trust me.
Yeah.
Trust me.
Yeah.
Trust me. Give my wasi child.
Okay, who's reading first?
Put it in Chanel.
Chanel, read for us. Chanel.
I am dating a trio and I do not know, but I feel like it's about time I tell them and introduce them to each other. No, don't. Please don't, because you.
Yeah, I say introduce them. Message as Tim.
It's
Tim.
But she didn't say whether a Kimang.
She said I'm dating a trio and they do not know. But I feel like it's about time I tell them and introduce them to each other. It's about time.
It's about
like,
time. I'm saying do it.
If you feel like you're brave enough.
If you're brave enough, do it.
Yeah.
Musam Selegu part 2.
Ah.
Jonas.
About Jonas.
Introduction is crazy. Like, me, I won't lie.
Jonas.
Introduction. Yo. Damn. Okay. I want my homeboy's girlfriend every time. Yeah. He comes over with. Oh, I want my homeboy's girlfriend every time he comes over with her. I get hard. What? Wrong. This wrong.
Nah.
Fake friend. Like, nah.
You are wrong for that one, bro. Man, I'll tell you the truth. I've been saying it. Fake friends are out here. Best be careful of that guy. Homie, this is a warning to you. Look
Stay
out.
real, bro. Like,
real.
try staying real. Try staying real, dog. Don't.
Okay, guys, this one says, I've got over 13 bodies and I'm only 17. Is that bad? Oh, no. Oh, my days, that's bad. Nah.
Only 17.
Only 17 though. Nah.
Only 17.
That's so fucking bad. Cause like,
That's bad.
just imagine now when you get to like 20.
You've had 5 years.
You're still 17. Imagine at 20.
You've had
Like,
almost
dog.
5 years.
21.
Uqale
Yo,
23.
uzoba nendopa face. Angeke ube nephuza face, uzoba nendopa face. Izoqeda ibibi. Kimberly Hole.
Angeke mfethu ayi.
Uzophela dog.
Tiwa lock in. Just lock in, shorty. Lock in.
Yeah, change.
Lock in.
Change.
Stop being hypersexual.
Yo. Yo. Anonymous Valley is hot. I've once given my Uber driver head because I did not have money to pay him. Yo.
Oh shit.
Bad, shorty.
This honeys they be broke. She's broke. Desperate.
Next time take a taxi dog.
Yeah, next time give a taxi, get 16 rand, 18 rand.
Save
Yeah, give a taxi, can
Save imali.
save imali. Uyeka ama-bolt. Uthanda izinto.
If you're really determined to walk,
Uthanda is cheese.
It's cheese.
Uthanda is cheese.
Shanya.
Afford this cheese.
Shaya
You
inyama,
can't afford
okay.
the cheese life,
wanna
but you
go
want
wherever
you
you
want
wanna
to
go.
be a cheese, but you can't afford the cheese life. Come
Go
on,
home, shorty.
come on.
for the cheese knife.
Oh shit.
Manenzani guys ngaphandle.
Ngaphandle.
I think it's about time my parents know that I want to pursue my dreams.
What dreams?
I might say do it.
No.
Me I say do it.
Why are you saying do it?
Nah, me I say do it.
Why you
boy.
saying
What's that?
Look, that's like
What's that, brother?
Wait,
Can see
if it
you
was like the
Mapuna
last
Puna.
choice, last thing you could do in life.
But we can't chase the bag like that.
Yeah.
I'm not chasing the bag like that.
Company George, dog.
Nice way to chase the bag, dog. Shot OF.
Don't do it, shorty. Check. Man, I'm gonna tell you, ne?
Okay,
Don't do it.
cheetah.
Ha.
Like, no, listen to
I
me.
say Sean.
Like,
What is some cheetah?
don't do it, ne? Like, company George, dog. But OF. No, that's not gonna ruin your reputation. That's gonna ruin you.
So you wouldn't crack just to have fun.
Hey, Maga dog.
To get mad.
Think about this. Chance, nah, Chance. Check it.
Yeah, exactly. Please repeat that. Please repeat. Ethical is different.
As a chant though, me I'm saying, are you really allowing people to find change in their couch just to see your duzu? Think about that, bro.
Yangeni meter, baba.
bro.
It's my
45 ops money duzu lakho. Awuthi amne, baba lock in, lock in.
$5, ba.
Amaka steal dog. Angeke ngikhiphe $5 ukuthi ngizobona into enginayo, bro.
Be on some gay shit.
Nah, maka dog, pause. But the niggas gotta lock in. You see if it's a guy or wrong. If it's a girl, yo.
Okay. This one says, I told my girlfriend her coochie smelled. She got mad and I had her on a call with my brother. I hope it is not what I think it is.
Satan.
It is.
It
is what it is.
Your brother smelling something different
No.
down there.
Question. Did you tell your brother that, like, Fede, this smells like knickknacks, yabo? Or like
And so what?